Hi students, I am Lavdeep Singh here. Today I will teach class 8 English 2 and topic is chapter 4 Set Our Children Free. Today I will teach you page number 31. Please open page number 31 of book. Here Kailash Satyarthi says we must be bold means brave, we must be ambitious and we must have the willpower. We must keep our promises. Here Kailash Satyarthi is telling the story of his childhood. 50 years ago, he met a boy, cobbler boy of his age, sitting outside the gate of his school. At that time, he asked the teacher why that boy is working outside and why he is not with us in the school. But the teachers had no answer. But Kailash Satyarthi gathered the courage to ask the boy's father, and that boy's father answered, "Sir, I have never thought about it. We are born to work." This answer made Kailash Satyarthi angry, and still it makes him angry because as a child he had a vision for tomorrow, a vision of that cobbler boy sitting with him in his classroom. Now that tomorrow has become today. I am today, you are today. So today it is the time for every child to have right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity means respect, right to equality, and right to peace. And Kailash Satyarthi says beyond the darkness, he can see the smiling faces of children in the blinking stars. In every wave of every ocean, he can see children playing and dancing. In every plant, in every tree, mountain, he can see children growing freely with respect. So here it is a suggestion to other people that you that feel this today inside you, and today you can see thousands of Mahatma Gandhis, Martin Luther Kings and Nelson Mandelas calling on us. Let us democratize knowledge. It means let education be for everyone. Let us universalize justice. It means let justice be given to all. Together let us globalize compassion. It means let us spread love and care among the children of world. So here in this room he called the people all across the world, and he says let's start a march from exploitation to education and march from poverty to shared prosperity or joy, from slavery to liberty means freedom, and from violence to peace. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Awakening means to give, spread education. Let us march from darkness to light. Let us march from mortality to divinity. Mortality means from death to God. Come to page number 32. Let me discuss, take the correct options. Number one, in his speech, the speaker suggests that if we walk together, we can ensure global progress. Second, when the speaker refers to our children, he is referring to the children of the world. Number three, who said if we are to teach real practice in the world, we shall have begin to begin with children. Mahatma Gandhi said. Number four, the speaker wishes to make all the children learn the values of tolerance and compassion. Thanks.